Today is Sunday, the 16th March 2025. It's the time now 1 o'clock 16 minutes afternoon time. I just get in the one position to sell Bitcoin. Look at 1 minute chart. Here, my Bitcoin line where I get in, and I just don't know why I get in. No, I want to scalp from yesterday, looking from yesterday analysis, and this afternoon I see the price start to climb from down here, and I've been busy talking to the AI. Am I gonna get in and how to get in and so on. Once I see the price drop and from 4 hours to 1 hour, and it show more here in the lower time frame, and I feel like I have to get in. So this is a formal feeling that I have, but in a way I need to get rid of this formal feeling. But I take a small target profit and stop loss, but I put the stop loss very far away from here to here, just to not let it take out my stop loss. I want to see if it's gonna go down. If it doesn't look good on 1 hour time, on lower time frame, it's always a fight where you can see. So I can see the green, and my target of I'm on it. When I come above this, I can take it out, close the profit before it reach to my full stop hit. This is just get in. I need to stop hunting. But later, when the price show a little bit distant, I will go and move my stop loss down, or probably close, or probably taking profit. Who knows? Depends accordingly to the price. Right now in the lower time frame, I see the buyer, only the buyer come, and of course this is the level that they need to touch and go down further. This is the level that the AI tell me to being watched from the resistance. If they come up here and they cannot go further, more likely they will go down. And this is the first level, and this is my first level of downside. It is breakthrough here, it's possible to go through further to the next level down there. And this is a risky kind of, very risky, because look at here, the level in the middle of this leg is 50% of Fibonacci or something. I just assume, and 4 hours is like they cannot go through this area. The seller is still controlled, and even though the seller has a Shopee business to go down here, but the last, like, they push further, very strong intention, and the equilibrium fighting between here, and now they move the level of fight to down here. Down here is the create the channel of fighting up and down. Right now the volatile magenta color is show that heating. Okay, that's heating. That's my buyer to give me my sell problem. So this is the level that they're supposed to go hesitate and go down. I have to keep eye watching full closely on this big candle here. If it's go further here, max X2 here. If it can get through here, I'll close program my position. This is my true stop loss is up here. Okay, this is my another chart where I plot my position in is here. My taking profit down here, first level. This is one minute, but I don't think I take profit close manual here because it's way down here. Anyway, this is the another chart on C Trader. and I like the volume, I like this, but when I look this, I sell at the bottom. I should sell up here when stochastic up here, more chance that it go to reach to the downside until they get here and they go dashing up. This is mean that they're gonna dashing up. It doesn't mean they're gonna dash a whole way up here. It can be just halfway here. It depends on how the seller want to step in or not. If the buyer want to go up, it will move up through, reach this overbought and then going down again. So this is like, I hope they only come in the middle and then move down. So this is like a fighting in this is 1 minute. I change because I plot my line here, it doesn't show on the 1 minute here, so I change 1 hour to here, 1 minute to here to watch, because I don't want to plot a new line again, put in numbers that I watch closely on. So I hope 1 hour, this is the first hour that closed, and I get in the second candle, if you say so. I should get it up here, but this is my confirmation that the big red candle, this is the confirmation they intend to go down. If the buyer want to step against this, they maybe come halfway up of this candle, and my stop loss will be manual close. So what happened is they are fighting a little bit lower than my price where I sell. I was scared when they come up here, and I was thinking what I'm gonna do if they come to this line. I have to close. So far I'm still a little bit green, okay, positive, not negative. And 4 hours is my reading for the first activity that show sideways market, where I can read. This is the level that they fight, and they go up and down, kissing, wrapping around this line. Is the level they are fighting, and they need time to do that. They need time, and when the time comes, it will break out of one of either side of the Bollinger Band or the range here. The volume in 4 hours is not significant. The red is much, but all general, saying only a little bit higher than that. That means intense of fighting here. For the weekly is always hard to read what is the volume, except this one is far than anyone around it. So this is the extreme power to push this price up, and since then no one is ever reached this guy. So he's controlling, is the buyer market. Even the downside, the seller side is trying to push the price down, and of course somebody catching out the money and everything going on. And according the rule of human being, they don't want just to go jump one direction. They need to zigzag down and fight on the sideways, and they haven't got anything to say a good fight or time spent here long enough to create test 1 and test 2 test. They're just so desperate to break through this area here, the range breakout, and haven't since then. They haven't get any further test 1, test 2. Only start here sideways market, the first test coming out from this price range, and then after they have to go up here, test 1. Or if this is the test 1, this is the test 2. The test 2 is too strong. We don't know the price move back yet, or this is not enough good price for the seller. They're looking for the buyer. So far there is no buyer. they keep fighting, and I want to see if this is in 4 hours is this trade belong to the test 1 and test 2 here instead of here daily, because daily just got seller first leg down and just got the first test in, and the second test not yet. Second test have to come above this guy, and this not happening yet because it's just too much strong power of the sell. They want to sell, they haven't done what they do yet. So this the daily second test is not yet to come. When we look at the 4 hour, the first test they come, first test, and the first test not able to make a lower low, so they are buyer also desperate, but they're desperate in a struggle because they're coming up with struggle, and they're staying stabilized. They can barely break through their own record, and this seller guy who responsible for this sell, control the sell power, he still don't let go. So this is come back with the big red candle that were happening, reflect to this 1 hour. So it just start to go what is called set to. When it's set to, is not break any higher high. So this is like a range. I don't call it completely set yet, because they're supposed to touch here at least the same level, the same record they're trying to break. If they cannot break, they will come back to get a better price higher than this guy, and they get the price now. And I hope the higher prayer will satisfy this small price that not so much far distance to make the money to get down here from here to here, or and then pull back and fight pushing down further to I already lined down the level here and here according to the AI give me the level where should I be careful. They will come and fight around here or get through here. That's what the AI helping. And now I lost. Okay, now it come back to where I supposed to close here, this fight. Okay, we go, and 1 hour candle, this one of course I say this midway they will come and test, and they're now on the way, and I'm losing money because my sell position is here and they come up here. So I don't think they're gonna continue without break, and the pullback can show me if I still have a hope for they haven't get to this area. This area is the controlling area from the seller to show what he got, because he got this price down, he didn't like it, want a better price, he go up here to get a better price and moving down, even not break his own record, and then go up again. The buyers are stepping in very strong. According to the volume, they are equilibrium, so not much of extra thing that phenomenal, you know. If phenomenal, I will close my position right away, but nothing is seem to be evenly average, and they will fight around this area, and this will come to here, and I will wait to see if they break through this 82400. I want it to break through this 82400 to here, but it might not happen because the buyer is now having a test for them to break through this area, and it is the first guy, the last guy of the seller who protect this level. If he cannot protect this level, this is the next level that the AI said to me to be careful about, and I didn't manage to put the line in, and I will do that later. Now I just want to go analysis here and read the possible what need to do to be concerned about risk management. So this is the red line that I don't want them to go through here, the last frontier that I can lose. I don't want to lose more than this. And this is the test tool of the seller, because they put the sideways market here, and they're looking for the buyer, and the buyer is coming. It's not yet tell everybody to change the direction to be a buyer. It's just a test. If they come a little bit higher than this, or even this, the best is here somewhere around to sell again. But I was had no patience. I just jumped in too early. So now my hope is will coming down to break even from me, and this is not good trade to begin with today. But since the seller intended to coming lower, we'll see what happened to this. Will it pull, just a pullback, not a buy, reverse, for buy. So I lose this much this time. Let's see if this color will close. And now it's 33 minutes been open. It's 32 minutes, 27 minutes left before this candle close. And I hope, as I said, they cannot get through this midway and then they will drop, or far they will stay around here, sideways market again, to let people to fill the order. So this is what I have to read and stay close to my trade, so I can close it manually when something not come in my way. Let's see if this I can go back to MT5, but before that I want to see if this still recording. Okay, it's still recording. 7 minutes. Back to MT5. So this is my trade that I have the real price here. Selling is jeopardized now. The moving coming up with very strong green candle. The volume, let's see the volume wise. The volume is regularly, and the MACD move up, show it wants to go up all the way from here to here. It's been down for a whole lot of time until today, 1:35 p.m. It's not in the midday. Okay, I still have a chance for there to fight. The market is still fresh for Sunday midday, and I believe that this seller is going to be win, and he's gonna move the price down to reach to my taking profit somewhere around here anyway. On this chart is somewhere around down. Anyway, this is what happened to my trade so far, and I will have to read a little bit more before this will close for showing my asking and answering from the AI. And I have that on the other device for the AI. AI did a charge. Okay, the AI, after I asked him to help to put on this thing, after I put say trade execution BTC USD short sell entry 82594.92, 0.05 lot size, stop loss at 83563.96, a little bit above resistance. Take profit 81607.09. Next support at S2. That's the key line for trade execution. Trading plan, risk 970 points, reward 990 points, risk reward ratio RRR 1-to-1. So this is a scalping trade, guys. Is 1-to-1. The price won't move that far, so that's why. Key level to watch, resistance 83077 or 83863. 83700 is all already talking about. Okay, I'm not gonna go through find this line. Support at 82400 and 82000. This is the support that I just talking about. Okay. This is the support. Okay, I put in here 82400. That's the support, that the key level to be watched, and 8200. This is all the support that major that need to be watched. I put that from the AI that give me this. Trade management. Okay, one, E price already dropped near 8200. If the price in the future, if the price is ever dropped to here, consider trailing stop loss to lock in profit. So the first time when it touch, I need to lock in profit because it will turn back to against me. Second, if profit pull back above 8300, 8300, this is one. If it is here, watch for rejection wick, and could be another chance to add to the short side. So if it's come here, it's like test 1, test 2 is another test 3 and will be dropped out. If there is a wick of rejection, a long wick on top of the candle, that's what it says. If the price pull back to 83000, watch for the rejection wicks. Okay, I repeat it again. Third, if the momentum weaken near, take profit. My take profit is 81607.09. 81, where is it? 81009. That's taking profit is somewhere 81. You know, I'm not gonna go in there. I know where it is if I really need to find it. Two, if momentum weaken near, take profit 81607.09. Okay, this sign whether to exit earlier or let it run. And 81607. Stay sharp. If price action change, be ready to manage this trade. Are you watching to leave or setting alert to check it back? So I'll leave it like that, but I wonder where is this. If momentum weakening near, take profit at 81607. So I'll put to find that line. Give me Horace. Why not give when I need? This is something need to learn. I hate this. When I need to call something, it doesn't come. Give me. Okay. 81607. 81607. 81607. 81607.09. Give me that line. It doesn't happen. Where is that line? Okay, the line here, my taking profits way down here, guys. Okay, I don't see it in my 15-minute time frame, so let's put it back to 15. Or was it 15? I don't know. Anyway, it's the 15. Okay, and we are on the right. It's the 15. Here, to make clear, is the taking profits is this line, and he say, if the momentum weakening here to take profit, this is this line, decide whether to take early or let it run. Take profit early or let it run. So I have to decide when it's the weakening near here or the strongest near here. I don't know if it's ever coming down here, but you can't never say, because anything happen. So stop loss tight or stop loss risk management has to be concerned. Let's go back to MT5. MT5 show that they are trying to come back to my price line. I'm happy now because it's stay in green, and I hope it's break through this purple line X3 to get to the VPOC. The VPOC is not far away. Come on, let's get to the VPOC. And the volume wise are all in the middle, not that overbought area, in the middle. And that is 1 minute, guys. So 1 minute's coming back, 5 minutes coming back the red volume, and 15 minutes coming follow, starts to show a little sign of red. 1 hour only the green, no sign of the red yet, and is in about 10 minutes, 13 minutes this green candle will be closed, and it's more likely it will be a doji and then followed by the red color. And in 4 hours it already have the phantom or the volatile dynamic candles on, and the price is 0.1 to the VPOC. Stay right on it, and now to see the clear microscopic picture is on the 15 minutes and to downward to 1 minute. So this is things to keep eye on, and I want to see that. Look at the daily, and the daily VPOC is up here, and they run away from the VPOC. And first test of the buyer to put the price back to the VPOC failed. With the pivot on top, push the price down to the next level, and now they pull back to 5 at the support. S1 and S2 is above there. So this is gonna be a range. I hope not. I hope they go down, straight down. If there is a range, my sell position here will be jeopardized. The only way I win this is to go down. If not, I have to close position very quick. Look at the red intention is strong. The buyer intention also pull back strong, and not even match his own record, a little bit lower, no higher high. So the price is moving down, trying to put into the